answer is Rakesh Sharma. Question number 9. Which force pulls all objects towards the Question number 12. It turns around itself, around a planet, and also around a star. Answer is third. Question number 15. Which planet is placed between the Earth and Mercury? First option, Jupiter. Second option, Mars. Third option, Uranus. Fourth option, Venus. Answer is Jupiter, C. Question number 18. Planets have light of their own. Is it true or false?
Thank you for watching. Help EDUCARE channel. For coming videos, please subscribe this channel and get the videos instantly informed.